Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please viewers also pray for me. I hope you're waiting my latest video. So the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet doll free ideas, beautiful amigurumi toys, different pattern. So please you must watch my video till the end. Beautiful designing, beautiful different color dresses, wearing ideas, most demanding crochet collection, beautiful amigurumi doll free ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different designing, different ideas, fabulous and most demanding crochet collection. Hopefully like this. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet doll free ideas. Beautiful hair ideas, beautiful different designing crochet amigurumi doll ideas. And you can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, amigurumi patterns, fingerless gloves design, handbag. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.